In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own logo with Canva. Start by opening Canva on your browser or the app. On the home page, click Create, then choose Custom Size. Type in 500 by 500 pixels and confirm. This square canvas gives you a clear, compact space to design and keeps proportions easy to manage as you build out your logo. Before placing anything, decide on your background. You can select a brand color or a very subtle texture if it fits your style. For most professional logos, it's best to design on a white background because it helps you judge contrast and readability. Later, you can export with a transparent background so your logo works on any color or image. Now, let's build the icon. Go to Elements and choose basic geometric shapes like circles, squares, and lines. Combine and arrange them to form a simple, distinctive symbol. Keep shapes aligned and evenly space. The alignment tools in Canva make this quick. Aim for consistency. Matching stroke weights and similar corner radiuses help the design feel cohesive. Make small variations by duplicating elements so you can compare options without losing progress. Avoid relying on pre-made stock graphics for your main mark, because using specific stock imagery may limit your ability to trademark the logo later. Add your brand name with the text tool. Choose no more than 2 complementary fonts to keep things clean and professional. A strong sans serif paired with a lighter sans, or a serif with a neutral sans, often works well. Adjust size and letter spacing for balance and legibility. Place the type next to or below your icon and align them carefully. The visual weight should feel even on both sides. Use your chosen brand colors sparingly. 1 or 2 colors are usually enough, and make sure there's strong contrast against the background. Before exporting, zoom out to check how the logo reads at smaller sizes. If details disappear, simplify shapes, increase spacing, or thicken lines. Keep effects like shadows to a minimum so the mark remains versatile. When you're happy, click Share in the top right and select Download. For most web uses, choose PNG for crisp edges and solid color. If you have Canva Pro and need a file that scales perfectly for print or large displays, choose SVG. If you want the logo to sit cleanly over any background, enable transparent background in Canva Pro before downloading. That removes the white box so only your design remains. Save your file, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.